Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your accounts onto the LiquidBudget app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the LiquidBudget application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will see various different options, including accounts at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it and then click on Add Account in order to add your first account. Now you can enter the name of your account and also choose the account type, whether it is cash, savings, checking, or credit card. You can also add it to a group, such as a group of liquid or immovable assets. Now just enter the current balance within this account. After entering the balance, you can also add any optional notes if you wish. Then click on the Add Account button, and now your account has just been created. You can add multiple accounts if you wish by going into the edit icon from the accounts menu and then pressing the plus button to create a new one. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your account onto the LiquidBudget app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.